Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your OnePlus 7 Pro, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decided to pick up the OnePlus 7 Pro. Y'all let me know in the comments below on what colors you decide to pick up. Do you get the Nebula Blue or the Mirror Gray? Like I said, let's get a discussion going on what color you decide to pick up. Now, if you're looking for a case to protect your beautiful device, look no further. I want to shout out Ringke for actually sending this case to me for a review. They sent me out their Fusion X case in black. I will have the links in the description. You can actually get this case from Amazon for a decent price. Now, like I normally do in all my case reviews, we'll make sure that the case fits well. We'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get that lip protection for your display? And then also, how does the camera cutout look? And do you get protection for your cameras also? So let's get into this review. Nice little packaging from Ringke. Bam. Now, if you want to pause this video, you can definitely do so to read that eco packaging. Follow them on their social media websites. Now they make it easy to get into, which is great. Also, they give you a bunch of information, a bunch of different tools and items that they sell. Definitely read that. I love this case. It will show off the beauty of your phone. Now you have this ridge power button there. Bam. See if my camera will focus. You also have some branding on the side. Also some branding on the back here. The cutout for the camera looks good, and the alert slider. Let's see how this bad boy fits. Nice and snug. Yes, you do get some lip action. So if you turn your, but you can see you definitely get some lip action. Also, the camera cutout looks great. Look how much this shows off your phone. That black and blue. Bam, the cutouts at the bottom line up. The alert slider, let's see. Power button felt great. The alert slider is easy to get to. The volume rockers definitely work. Easy to press. Sometimes you get these cases where they're not easy. This one feels great. The cutout for the camera at the top looks good. Also the microphone. Cutouts for the bottom look good. Also look at the corners. You get that drop protection. That corner protection too. Look, this is a nice looking case. Now it doesn't have much bulk to your phone either, so it feels really good. Let's see how good it fits. Snug on both sides and the top and bottom too. This is definitely a nice case. Like I said earlier, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.